The AK-47, officially known as Automat Kalashnikova, is a gas-operated assault rifle that is chambered for the 7.62 cartridge. Developed in Soviet Union by the Russian small arms engineer Mikhail Kalashnikov. It was built for battlefield, simple to use, and tough enough for any weather. Let's understand the working of AK-47. This gun has a safety switch that lets you choose how it fires. On the top position, it's on safe, and the trigger is locked, so the gun can't be fired at all. In the middle position, it's on semi-automatic, which means as the trigger is pulled, one bullet fires. The bottom position is for automatic firing, which means the gun will keep on shooting as long as the trigger is being held. Semi-automatic mode. First, the charging handle is pulled back. This primes the gun by cocking the hammer and shoving a bullet from the magazine into the firing chamber. When the trigger is squeezed, the disconnector strikes with the hammer, resulting in the hammer smacking a little metal pin called the firing pin. The firing pin hits the base of the bullet extra hard, which is known as primer, which ignites a special flammable powder made of sulfur and charcoal. This powder burns super fast, creating hot gases that acts like a tiny explosion. The hot gases push the bullet down the barrel at high speed of 700 meters per second. As the bullet begins to move, some of those hot gases also zoom up a special tube and whack the back of the gas piston, which in turn moves the bolt carrier backwards. This shoves the empty bullet case out of the chamber through the little door. The spring tension moves the bolt carrier back to its original position, alongside pushing a fresh bullet from the magazine into the place. So with every squeeze of the trigger, one bullet fires, the old one gets kicked out and new one jumps in. Automatic mode. For automatic mode, the safety switch is moved to the bottom. Instead of needing a separate trigger pull for each bullet, the trigger is being held like a continuous fire command. A special auto sear briefly blocks the hammer after each shot. As the gun fires and the hot gases pushes the bolt carrier back, it trips the auto sear at the perfect time, releasing the hammer to hit the next bullet. This automatic dance between the trigger, auto sear and the bolt carrier keeps bullets flying as long as the trigger is being held.